Hey there all you Volvo nuts. I'm doing this video to share with you my enthusiasm for the car, but second most for parts to look out for if you're deciding on whether or not to go with original parts versus aftermarket. And there's one that sort of just went on me, and I'll explain. I did go with aftermarket parts for my radiator. And I got these blue silicone thingamabobs, and I'm here to tell you that they are pretty much absolute shit. And I'll explain. So with these silicone radiator hoses, there is, compared to the original that I pulled out of the car and replaced with these, there is absolutely no give whatsoever. And I was on a trip from Ocean City back to Pennsylvania, and on Route 70, if you can see here, all of the road divots caused this particular tube to rip off half of the pipe that goes to the radiator housing. Now, if I had stuck with the original, which is actually, I think, slightly lengthier and lighter, I don't think that would have happened right now, because again, with this silicone, it weighs heavier. There's no give when it comes to hitting potholes in the road, or divots, or speed bumps even. Oh, and not only that, but if I can zoom in here, part of the silicone tubing up underneath this area here has simply burned away, and I'm going to try and get another video angle once I remove this piece of shit. First of all, it's a kick-ass 1990 Volvo 240DL. Still got the inspections through October this year. Yes. It will never die unless, well, people and companies keep trying to make substandard parts for this car. Thanks for joining me again. So I took the new and quote-unquote improved radiator hose, the upper radiator hose, off the engine, and as you can see, what they sold me, specific to my Volvo, from end to end, it's clear that the original is at least maybe almost 2 inches longer than the aftermarket that they sold me. And to boot, the end right here has frayed away from the rest of the silicone body. So again, here with the original part, I saved it, thankfully, and I cleaned it off. And just for you, those of you out there that still have your old Volvos, it's part number 1219990, and then the numbers or digits continue if you need those. 74620590. That is on the original part. So now I'm just going to go ahead and reinstall this. I was careful to take the radiator or the hose off, the hose off, without compromising the rest of the parts of the engine with antifreeze. Again, just make sure that you're prepared to do that with either a funnel and a drop, like an oil pan, which I've seated below the air filter, and the original part's going back in, people. Thank you.